Ready to unlock those awesome Valorant skins and level up your gameplay without breaking the bank? Let's dive into how to use your Apple gift card to snag those precious Valorant points. First, scratch off the back of your Apple gift card to reveal the redemption code. Make sure you do this carefully so that you don't damage the code. Now grab your iPhone or iPad and head to the App Store. Once you're inside, tap on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. In the account menu, find and tap on Redeem Gift Card or Code. This will open up the redemption options. You'll see options to use your camera or enter the code manually. Since we scratched off the code, we'll choose Enter Code manually. Tap on that option. Carefully type in the code from the back of your gift card, double-checking to make sure you have entered all the letters and numbers correctly. Once you're sure it's right, tap Redeem in the top right corner. Boom! Your Apple account balance should now reflect the amount on your gift card. Time to put that money towards Valorant Points. Next, search for Valorant Mobile in the App Store and download the app if you don't have it already. If you're already a Valorant Mobile player like most, just tap Open. Now to finalize your conversion from Apple gift card proceeds to Valorant Points and dominate your enemies. Once there, make necessary purchases. If the remaining funds from the gift card are enough to cover the purchase price, press Accept and you're all set. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your new Valorant Points and make sure to check back for more tips and tricks to elevate your game.